Manipur University के Department of Psychology na sinduna changing the narrative on suicide haiba themda ngasi World Suicide Prevention Day inglisengani kunmanga gi palan thauram pangthokre. University asigi department khudingmakta psychology department ke mahairoi amadi oja singna you are not alone, you are heard, suicide doesn't end the pain, it just passes it on to someone else. Your life is worth living for. You matter, your life matters. Haine iba banner sing paiduna society gi ngak thokna ba campaign su chathake. Pallan thauram aduga mari leinana Manipur University gi Vice Chancellor Professor Naurim Lokendran Hai Manipur se drug insurgency yauna issue kaya leiba lamdama mane makhal kaya gi crime sing thokpagi changsu adumak wangle pomnamagasina miyam gi pukning wakhal leita handaba amadi awaba kaya piri masigi mathakta irang na maram oiraga leifam chafam khangdana leiriba miyoi kaya gi punsi mahingda mental health ki problem kaya mayoknari fibam masida psychology department na achoba thodang miyam gi pukning wakhal fana lehenna na pandamda university asida campaign chathabagalwina World Suicide Prevention Day palan tauriba asi yamna maram chaba amani haina fongdokhe.
We have been facing different kind of problem. Insurgency ki problem, drug addiction ki problem, tongan crime ki problem, ethnic conflict ki problem. Simayam sing se khoi sum khang na sum lei se mi sing siko pasana healthily leina na hon ba se khoi ki thom. Adna psychology department se ki initiative se local lakani. Adna it's a very good initiative. World Suicide Prevention Day natraga mental health ki damakta local initiative singdu Manipur University na koi dum support continuously koi togani haiba si wakum se koi thamja.
Churachandpur Medical College Imphal campus ke Department of Community Medicine na collective trust ka khusam naduna World Suicide Prevention Day inglisingani kunmanga gi palan thoram Kiamgaida leiba college asida pangthokre. Thoram adu da sarukya khiba college asige joint academic professor Chongtham Arun Kumar amasung Department of Community Medicine ki head of department in charge Dr. Gudi Laisramna suicide ki epidemiology amasung awareness kaloinana suicide prevention gi matangda wanga ke collective trust founder galoinana clinical psychologist paunam thoibina chahi asigi piriba thim amasung suicide prevention gi matangda medical college asigi mahairoi singa wari watai sanaduna wakhal taminake.